Guns and grenades. St. Anne Police recount a fierce battle that left a colleague and alleged criminals wounded. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, nabbed. Man is in custody. 2 suspects on the run after Manchester kidnapping.
Back to work. Normality resumes at Bustamante Children's Hospital.
On the defensive, Ian Halesworth breaks his silence as he battles the Contractor General in court.
A child shall lead them. The Mayor of Kingston receives a touching letter about keeping the city clean.
In the financial week, diversify. CB Foods to create partnerships to produce small ruminants.
There's also international stories, our bite of the week, sports, sport commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
The police say they are now having to deal with grenades when they confront criminals, as they did earlier today in St. Anne. Does this revelation surprise you? Why or why not?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headline.